Hi, my name is Abi, and today we're going to continue from where we left on what is meditation. So yesterday we were talking about the different levels of our existence, the chakra system. And as we operate from all these different levels, our meditations are different. What we are seeking in life is different. The way we see, the way we perceive the whole world is different. So that's why different meditations work for us, depending on what chakra, what level of existence we are operating on. In the last video, we talked about the first three chakras of the human body. The root chakra, Muladhara. The second one is sacral, just below the belly button. And then all the way up on top of the belly button is solar plexus. So today we're going to talk about solar plexus. See, solar plexus, the element with solar plexus is fire. This is the center of our willpower. This is how I'm able to assert my will. I am able to assert myself in the society. See, when your solar plexus is balanced, you will be able to convert your desires into manifestation. The first three chakras are about self-preservation. The first is my security. Second is my sensual pleasures. The third one is my desires. So as we rise above the first chakra, we are no longer wasting our energies in fear of how we're going to survive. Second chakra, we're no longer wasting our energy chasing all these different pleasures. We're no longer chasing after our sensual pleasures. And the third one, once we rise above to the solar plexus, then we are focused on asserting our will. We're focused on contribution. But these contributions from solar plexus are related to my ego. I want to be able to contribute because I want to leave a legacy. I want this identity, I, to live forever in the memories, in the legends. See, so that's why the desires of the solar plexus are my desires, and they originate out of ego. So when you are balanced in this chakra, you're able to convert your thoughts into material objects. And when there's an imbalance in this chakra, that could have come from lack of confidence growing up, when your voice was not heard, when you were told that you cannot do something over and over again. So that might have led to this imbalance in the chakra. So the way we can balance this chakra is also through meditation. But this meditation would be different. The affirmation for this meditation would be I am. Slowly bringing that awareness that I am not just this physical body, and I'm not even my mind. I am beyond. I am the observation. When all your energies are going in expression in this physical world, then the meditation will be different. So then comes the fourth chakra, all the way up into the heart chakra. When our energies are operating on the heart chakra level, then we become one with everybody else. From physical preservation, we are shifting into our energetic existence, and heart chakra is a transition to that. So as we transition, as we start operating at the heart chakra, we go from knowledge to experience the feelings that nature and us are inseparable. For example, if I breathe out carbon dioxide, the trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So there is a symbiotic relationship going on between me and tree, between us and trees. But it's a knowledge. When you get that in the experience, when you experientially know that, that's when you know your heart chakra is open. Then you realize that there is no difference, there is no separation between you and nature, that both are one. And then when you start realizing that, you start seeing everything else around you, including other fellow human beings, as nature. And then you don't see any separation between you and them. So when you're operating from that chakra, it's beautiful. You're in this alpha brainwave state, which is the state where you get in the daydreaming, or when you're doing some meditation, mantra, or yoga. So you stay in that state and things become effortless from there. And when there is an imbalance in this heart chakra, it can come from a betrayal in a relationship. It can come from judgments. When you start judging other people, then you create a separation between them and you. You're really creating a separation. You're creating a boundary. And these boundaries in Sanskrit are called bandhans. The way we create boundaries is to protect ourselves, to protect us. But these are the boundaries we get trapped behind. So when there's a boundary between you and somebody else, you really can't connect. You can communicate, but you can't connect. So that's what happens when the heart chakra starts opening. And when this is imbalanced, there is different kinds of meditation to open the heart chakra. Journey beyond the physical into the metaphysical realm of our existence. That's when comes the throat chakra. Throat chakra is also about manifestation, but this manifestation is different than solar plexus. Here you create your desires into physical things. There it's not the desires of your ego, it's your true self essence, it's your true self expressing. And when you're not expressing your true self, when you're doing all the things society told you to do, when you're living your life in a way society wants you to live, your family, your partner wants you to live, then you're not truly expressing yourself, and you can have throat chakra imbalances. Then you slowly start lying, pretending it's all to do with throat chakra. Physical diseases like thyroid can happen. So it all comes down to self-expression, true self-expression, manifesting your inner quality. This is the true contribution you have for the world. So when the chakra is imbalanced, you're usually pretending who you're not, and you're always trying to make people happy. You're a people pleaser. Throat chakra is imbalanced, then we can have different kinds of meditations. And then comes beyond the third eye and the crown chakra. We'll talk about this in the next video because it's very expansive. We go from metaphysical into our energetic realm. This is where we start exploring the 99.9% of our existence as a soul. This is where we start exploring the 99.9% of our existence, which is not known to us right now. All we know is this physical apparatus. Through the physical body, we can only see from infrared to ultraviolet rays. And there's an electromagnetic spectrum which is so big, we can only see a very, very tiny part. So we think that what meets the eye, the physical reality, is all there is. So when we go in the third eye, we start exploring the realms, the dimensions beyond the physical body, beyond what we see. So for now, we'll do a generic meditation. See if you can just bring awareness to your breath when you take this breath all the way into your stomach. And as you exhale, see if you can feel this breath coming all the way down. Take a slow, long, deep breath. And exhale. And I'm going to do this mantra for you. Just Om. See if you could just feel this in your body. See if you can just stay in this vibration for some time. Namaste and peace.